So I'm Steve Bradley, I run Ave UK, and we put together packaging and bottling lines basically for soft drinks, but there are other industries that we do serve as well. We manufacture the machines from Group in Italy, and they're imported into the UK, which is where I come in. So I first got to know Markem-Imaje a few years ago now. I was dealing with Mark at the time, so I've probably been working with them for the best part of 10 years. One of the things I need is support when there's something that does go wrong, and I need to have the knowledge that if it does go wrong, then Markem have the ability to cure that problem very, very quickly, and that's something that they've always been able to do in the past. So that is one of the reasons why I continue to do that, because it's really important for me to have that support and backup. Winning the Innovative Packaging Machinery Award actually focused my mind on this machine itself. And one of the interesting things that I found about this was the intelligent touch system, the soft touch. So the way that it actually applies the label to what will be a shrink wrap bundle. Intrinsically safe, that's obviously something that's really important to me. And it just looks as though and feels as though it's got the latest innovative ideas so that I can sell it to my customer as it's on the forefront of technology. So that's really why I feel this one is the right choice for me, but more importantly for my customer.